So today I'm going to be breaking down the top things that you should be doing this summer to massively boost your chances of getting into your dream medical or dental school with this summer checklist. So let's get straight into it. First, we'll be preparing and sitting the UCAT and or the GAMSAT if you're a graduate. The majority of the universities or medical and dental schools in the UK will accept the UCAT. So this is a really important exam, and the test window opens during the summer. So this is your window to be preparing and sitting it. You want usually around 6 to 8 weeks of consistent practice using question banks, mocks and time drills. And trust me, it's not the type of exam that you can cram for. The early enough you can prepare, the better. A really good top tip is to schedule your exam early on as well, because then you've got a definite date that you're going to be working for. And you can also have a break in the summer as well. Maybe you've done your A-levels, maybe you've done your degree, and quite frankly, you deserve a little bit of a break. So you can schedule a nice little break or a holiday in that time after you've done your exam. And if you're not going on holiday as well, maybe you've got a date there and you can push it back if you need to. So then this still gives you time to hit all of the UCAS deadlines as well. For graduates, this is the second time you can sit the GAMSAT too. And summer is an ideal time to revise for the Section 1 and Section 3 and starting to hone in on those Section 2 essay skills. So plan your prep early, especially if you're balancing work and or another degree. And being a Future Doc student makes it really easy to revise for both exams at the same time, because we have lots of masterclasses, we have high quality sessions, and of course I've got my one-on-one sessions with my tutor, so I can work on any areas that I need to. I just think it's absolutely amazing. And if you're serious about building a competitive application to help you get into a dream university, then check out the Future Doc website. So next we should be visiting the universities, getting a vibe for the places that you're wanting to apply to. Yes, you can read online, you can watch all the virtual tours, but there's no substitute for actually walking through a city and seeing what the university is like for yourself. This gives you the opportunity to ask yourself, can I really imagine myself living here for 4 to or maybe 6 years? Ask yourself, do you like the big cities or do you like the smaller towns? Does the medical or dental school feel more modern or traditional? And can you imagine yourself thriving in this environment? Because it's a big chunk of your life and you want to make sure that you're going to be living somewhere where you can work the best and on your downtime that you can go explore and it feels right for you. If you can, go to an open day, because these are an absolute goldmine for information, and you get the opportunity to meet current students and ask questions that they will have great answers to, because they're in the situation that you want to be in. Next, you should be getting the final bits of your work experience. If you've not already done this before, then you've still got time to get some work experience. And this doesn't have to be in a hospital, this could be some volunteering, it could be paid work as well. And this all adds up to building a complete and competitive application. Because what matters most is reflection. So after an experience, ask yourself, what did I learn from being around that healthcare professional? What skills did I see in action? And how did I grow personally? And this is an amazing chance to keep a reflective journal, and you'll thank yourself later when it comes to writing your personal statement. And funnily enough, we're going to be talking about the personal statement now. So summer is the best time to get a first draft done, and it isn't about listing your achievements, it's about telling who you are. So why medicine or dentistry for you? What experiences have inspired you? And what qualities do you bring? Don't talk about other people or name drop. It's about the journey that you've been on and the reflective experiences that you have. Aim to have a solid draft by the end of August. That way your teachers, your mentors can give you feedback before the term starts. And the Future Doc has a brilliant personal statement course, and I've had my personal statement reviewed by tutors that know the best way to make sure that your personal statement can stand out. For me, I wrote my first draft early, and by the time I'm still working on it now, and it's changed so much for the better. I've added lots of reflection, and it went straight to the point as well, and I really cannot thank Future Doc and the tutors enough. Getting into medical or dental school is competitive, but It's 100% possible with the right planning. Use your summer smartly, work hard, but also take care of yourself as well. Burnout just doesn't help anyone. And remember, it isn't about ticking boxes. This summer is your chance to make sure that you can build a competitive application and that you can write your own story to help you get into your dream university. If you like this video, make sure that you check out the rest of the content on the YouTube page and head over to the Future Doc website.